There you go. You guys are so weird. What is this?
Come on, Jane, break it down.
I can't break it down. Jane can't break it down.
Come on, break it down.
Ready?
You guys are so dumb. You guys are such nerds.
Everyone say hi, Dave.
Hi, Dave.
Dave, make it say something. I can see his whole hands stuck on the beach at toes.
Someone's like huddled up in a window and she's like, like that.
They're making a porno in the car.
And they're filming.
You're filming a lesbian porno? Is that the thing?
When she's got cheese and ketchup.
Oh yeah, check out this French Fry.
Let me see this.
Oh yeah.
Look at this shit.
Your porno with French fries. That's some kinky
eat
shit.
that fry. Deep throat it.
That's some kinky shit.
Yes, we did. Why, dude, I could do the whole fry if I wanted.
Let's do it.
Damn. French fry, the longest fry in here.
It's not really long.
I ate that long one.
This one's kind of long.
Eat so cheap.
All the way.
All the way.
Ow, bitch. Dude, I can't do this chip. It's too pointy.
Alright, just do it. I want to do it.
Hold on. It's too
Oh my
pointy.
god. I can't believe you're deep throating a French fry right now.
Dude, I'm not deep throating a French fry. Just prove I can stick it all in my mouth.
Why do you need to prove that?
I don't know.
Alright.
Dude, I don't do anymore. That's why the popsicle and I almost got
I think my lung was gonna pop because I was laughing so hard.
You practice this?
No. The one time my friend told me, she's like, none of you guys believe me, that I could stick a whole popsicle down my throat. So I did, but the popsicle broke. And I started choking, and my friend had to give me the Heimlich maneuver.
Oh my
And the
god.
popsicle came like, flying on the mouth.
What a story.
From the French fry stuck in
I
my
choked
throat.
out on a popsicle deep throating it. Gee, that's weird.
The popsicle broke. I did the Heimlich and it came back up.
What is his mouth? It's like...
Dude, just come for me.
No one wanted to tell me I was being a slob.
No, you can do that on your own.
Are you thinking I should film this one?
It's funny.
Okay, stop filming now.
You're gonna look at this tomorrow and be like, what the fuck was that thing?
Alright, I think mine's done.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Me too.
Yours is so good.